Today, in this video, we will talk about how to cancel Lumenate subscription. So, all official methods and information you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Please note, you can cancel your subscription from a platform you used to make your payment. Method 1. Cancel Lumenate subscription on the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap the menu icon in the upper right corner. Go to Payments and Subscriptions, and then Subscriptions. Select Lumenate app from the list of subscriptions. Tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom. Choose a reason for canceling. Then tap Continue. Tap Cancel Subscription for confirmation. And follow the prompts. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel a Lumenate premium subscription on iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or other Apple devices. Tap your name or Apple ID. Tap Subscriptions. Select Lumenate from the list of apps. Tap Cancel Subscription. And follow the prompts and you are done. So by using this method, you can easily cancel Lumenate subscription. Hopefully, this video will helpful. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.